and welcome to Colin's Yarn Magic. This week's stitch is the Rocky Mountain stitch. It's a 4-row repeat, however 3 of them are just single crochet, so it's quite easy. This is a pattern for advanced beginners. Your foundation chain is done using the correct size hook for your yarn, but you're going to do it loose. So chain your initial, chain it loose. In between we do 3 rows of single crochet. At the start and the end we only do 2, and the border becomes the 3rd round. Okay, so you're going to grab your hook and make a slip knot, and so make a slip knot and then chain a multiple of 6. Okay, so yarn over, pull through and pull through. Keep doing that, multiples of 6, and then we'll begin. Okay, so with your multiples of 6, we're going to begin in the second chain from our hook. So not this one here, into the second chain, and we're going to work a single crochet. So yarn over and pull through. You'll have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through those 2 loops. Here's the next stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. You'll have 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So if you remember, I says that the first and your last repeat, we only do 2 rows of single crochet. So continue across this row, chain 1, turn your work, and then work another row of single crochet. So you'll have 2 rows of single crochet, and then we'll pick back up together. Okay, so when you're at your last single crochet of the row, we're going to change colour. Okay, so do the first part of your single crochet, so yarn over and pull through. When you have 2 loops, this is when you introduce a secondary colour. I'm just using some blue. Hook that on and pull through those 2 loops. Okay, then cut your white yarn away, excuse me, and place both tails over to the back of your working yarn and chain 1. Okay, so that just secures our colour, but the chain 1 doesn't actually count. So turn your work, and then into the first stitch, we're going to build a foundation double crochet. So go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, you have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so if you look here, you can see that there's like 2 little legs. So this is the right loop and then the left loop. We're going under the left loop only, yarn over and pull through, then you'll have 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so that counts as your first double crochet. If you can't do that technique, you can chain 3. Okay, so the way this pattern works is we're working over groups of 3. So 1, 2, 3. The first stitch that we do, we're going to be working a long stitch, we'll call it. Okay, so here's your 3, yarn over, find the middle stitch, so 1, 2, and then 1 row below. So 1, 2, down 1, we've yarned over, go into the space 1 below, yarn over and pull a loop through. You'll have 3 loops. Now the repeat is yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2. So it's 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay, into the same space we're going to repeat. We're going to do this long stitch by yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Into the same stitch again, repeat one more time, 1, 1, 2, 2. So yarn over, pull through 1, 1, then 2, 2. Okay, so that was stitch 1, 2, and here's 3. Okay, so now find your next group of 3, which is 1, 2, 3, and into the middle stitch again, into the main row that you're on, we're going to work 3 double crochets, just normal double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 2 more US double crochets. So pull through 2, pull through 2. So yarn over, last one, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So there's your stitch 1, 2, 3. We're now finding our next cluster of 3 stitches. So you can see 1, 2, and we're going 1 below. Okay, so 1, 2, 1 below, and we're going to repeat this first mountain. So the pattern is actually worked upside down, so you can see that these peaks here are mountains. Okay, so into the second and 1 below, we're going to do our long mountain, or the tall one. Okay, so yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 1, 1, 2, 2. 2 more, So yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time. Yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. So that would be stitch 1, 2 and 3. Here's your next group of 3 double crochets. Then you would come down here and work, and then 3 double crochets. Continue doing that until you've just got 1 stitch remaining, and I'll show you how to finish the row, okay? Okay, so when you've just got 1 stitch remaining, so that you have 2, but this counts as work group of 3, we're going to finish working with a double crochet in this last stitch. However, we're going to change colour again, so you're only going to do one part of the double crochet, okay? So go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, okay? And then when you've got 2 stitches remaining, reintroduce your white, or whatever your primary colour was, make a loop, pop it on, and pull through. Again, cut away your blue yarn, and then put both the tails over to the back of the working yarn, and that holds them. Okay, you're going to chain 1. So we're now going to do our 3 rows of single crochet, which is different from the first. However, your first row is worked differently. Okay, so turn your work into both loops. So the Tigger, sorry about that. So into this first stitch here, you're going to work a normal single crochet. Now we're working into the front loop only, single crochet across the row. So go under that front loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Under that front loop, single crochet. So your first and your last stitch on this row is worked through both parts of the stitch, but the middle of the row is worked in the front loop only, okay? And then you're going to work 2 rows of normal single crochet. So your 3 rows are the front loop one, and then 2 regular rows of single crochet, and then we'll go over the pattern again, okay? So finish this with your front loops, and then 2 full rows of single crochet. Okay, so when you've only got 1 stitch remaining, you're going to do your colour change again, okay? Pop both tails over the working yarn, hold it at the back of your work, chain 1. Turn your work. You're going to work a foundation double crochet. So single crochet, then go under the left loop, and finish your stitch. Okay, then back to working in groups of 3. Oh, sorry. So working in your groups of 3. There we go. Your first one, we're going 1, 2, and 1 below, and we're going to do the long one where it's yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so and again into the same stitch, you're going to do yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more. 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. Into your next group of 3. So this is the last stitch of the previous. Into the middle stitch, you're going to do your 3 double crochet. So that is the repeat where you do your long one, then followed by the short one where it's just 3 double crochet. Okay, so into your next group of 3, into the one below, you're going to do your long one. 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay, so after that, you would change colour and then work your front loop only single crochet row, then 2 normal single crochet row, and then you would do the border around the outside. Into your next here, you're going to work 3 double crochet. Pull through 2, yarn over, insert, pull through 2. Okay, so continue to do this across the row until you get to the last stitch where you'll change colour, then you'll work a front loop only single crochet row in white, then 2 normal single crochet rows. So keep doing those until you've got your project to whatever size you want, and then I'll show you how we do around the outside. Okay, so continue to do those 4 rows. When you're finished, after working the mountain row, only do your front loop only and 1 single crochet row, and then that's where we'll pick up. So after this, front loop only, single crochet row, and then we'll pick up together. Okay, so when you've come to the end of your second row, into this corner here, we've worked 1 single crochet. We're going to chain 1 and then start working down this side. So chain 1, and we're going to start working back down the side here. Okay, so single crochet, chain 1 into the same space, work a single crochet. Okay, so now we're going to work, we've done our corner, we're going to work down the side by working a single crochet into each stitch around, and this just helps keep our sides nice and neat. Okay, so into there, we're going to continue down the side, single crochet. So then you're just working over these tails, and then at the end you can do a box knot, and that way you can cut right down to the knot and it won't unravel. Okay, continue across, and then when you get to the corner, you're going to repeat what you did for the other side, the other one, and do single crochet, chain 1, and in the same space, single crochet. Okay, now working down the bottom of your work, 1 single crochet across, and it's just the same at the other side. You would continue around with single crochet across, do 1 in the corner, chain 1, 1 in the corner, back up in here. So when I say a box knot, I'm going to show you how to do one just now. Okay, so with both your tails here, you've got your white and your blue. You're going to go right over left, so go right, put the white over the blue, so right over left, loop under and pull down, just a knot. And then you're going to do the opposite. You're going to go left over right, so your white is going to be on over the top this time, wrap it under, pull through. I do not know what's wrong with my cats today, I'm so sorry. And then pull that down tight. So when you've done that properly, you can go right down to the knot and cut away, and that's it, done. So like I say, your work is upside down when you make it, but I think it looks really nice up. So if you were making a cardigan, for example, and doing panels, I would orientate these up the way. It would do a lovely blanket as well. Okay, so that was the Rocky Mountain stitch. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye now.